US President Joe Biden on Saturday differed with Saudi Arabia in their account of discussions at a bilateral summit about the 2018 murder of Saudi journalist Jamal Khashoggi, a major point of contention between the two countries. US intelligence agencies believe Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman ordered the killing in 2018 of Khashoggi, a Saudi US citizen, which the de facto Saudi ruler denies. Answering reporters as he arrived at the White House from his first Middle East trip as president, Biden disputed the Saudi foreign minister's account that he did not hear Biden blame Mohammed bin Salman for the killing of the Washington Post columnist, a harsh critic of his native Saudi Arabia. A Saudi official who was present at the meeting said the exchange was not as President Biden described, and discussion over Khashoggi occurred before the official meeting in an informal way. The official said he did not hear the president telling the crown prince that he held him responsible for Khashoggi's killing.